Good morning, Mama S here. I don't have my headset, so I'm hoping that the audio is as good with me speaking towards the camera as it is when I'm speaking into my headset, so you can always let me know. I'll have it again the next day that I record, but I'm going to record a number of videos today. So today's video is number 34, our first court date, and this was from March of 2018. And I wrote it a couple weeks after court, and this is a topic that I know gives a lot of people some nerves, so I'm going to talk a little bit about it. But we got a letter in the mail saying that we were having court, and court was going to be in 3 weeks, so I took a half day off and had to make an hour-and-a-half drive because our foster daughter is from a different county than we live in. And before that, Mama A and I, we just speculated. We're like, what is court going to be like? What are they going to say? We had gotten a new worker shortly before this, so we're like, what are they going to say? We don't know them yet. A lot of things just kind of running through our minds, and we obviously didn't know anything, so we ended up going to court. I went to court and sat in the hallway, and that was the most nerve-wracking time of my life. Like I've never been more stressed out. And I was just nervous because I didn't know what to expect, and there was nowhere for me to get the information. Like people had told me a little bit, but I really didn't know. So in the county that our current case is in, which I'm going to tell you every county is different, but the county that our case is in, I got called in and I actually had to sit in the jury box. Some people have to sit in different areas, but in the county that our daughter is from, I had to go sit in the jury box, and when people say court lasts 2 minutes, they mean court lasts 2 minutes. I think everybody said their information. Our new worker said that she didn't know the case very well, so she didn't have any information. So that first court date, I ended up sharing a lot more information about what was going on with the case, how P was doing in our house, everything that was kind of going on. But usually you don't speak as much. In our next court date, I didn't speak barely at all. But they talked about what the plan was, and she had been in out-of-home care for just shy of a year at that point. So the talk was, is it reunification? Is it heading towards terminating parental rights? Exactly what's going on at this point. And at that point, we were not able to commit whether or not we would be an adoptive resource, so the court had a conversation about what that would look like. Like I said, court itself lasted 2 to 5 minutes. Like it really was not long at all, and I was back on the road. Some people talked to their caseworker after court. My worker was so busy and didn't really know the case, so we didn't have a conversation, and we actually didn't have a conversation at our next court date either. But some people do, some people don't. But yeah, so any questions you have, please let us know. Otherwise, please subscribe to our channel, and as always, please share. Thank you.